Hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech Assets, your tech support. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install WordPress on the localhost for free. In this video, we are mainly going to discuss following points: a quick introduction to WordPress, installation of WordPress into your system, installation of XAMPP server, that is localhost, into your system, setting up WordPress with the XAMPP server, and starting a WordPress project with the XAMPP. You can consider using timestampings given in the description box. So guys, moving to the first topic, I will give you a quick introduction to the WordPress. Guys, basically WordPress is a platform that allows us to build and host all kind of websites. But one important point here is you don't need to learn any coding or programming, that is HTML, CSS or JavaScript, for creating websites. You can simply use different editors and themes already available in WordPress. How to do it, that we are going to discuss in upcoming videos. So to get the notification first of that new videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and set notification to the all. So moving to the installation of WordPress. To install WordPress, go to your browser. To install WordPress, go to your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. You can use any browser as per your preference. All the procedure will exactly be the same. So to download WordPress into your system, in URL bar you have to type wordpress.org. This will open the wordpress.org site. Now here I would like to specify one thing, that do not go for wordpress.com. There you might have to pay some money and I don't want you to waste your money. So I will just show you wordpress.com, and here it is. You can see the plans and pricing tab. Here different plans are available, but we are not going to buy any of these plans. I will just show you how to download WordPress for free into your system and use it in localhost. It is That was the place where you should not visit. Going back to wordpress.com, download the WordPress. To download WordPress, just click on the Get WordPress and this will direct you to the download page. Now by clicking download WordPress, you can simply download WordPress zip file into your system. As it is already downloaded into my system, I am not going to again download it in my system again. I will just show you the zip file that will be downloaded into your system. So downloads. In the downloads you can see the WordPress 5.5.1 zip file that is downloaded into the my system, and the same file will be downloaded into your system also. Now for the time being, we will keep this file as it is and move to the installation of XAMPP server. To install XAMPP server, I am opening a new tab and here just simply press download XAMPP. Now once you have hit the enter button, you will find the first link from the apachefriends.org to download XAMPP. Click on this link and you will find the download options here. Now download XAMPP server according to your operating system. Now here, as it is downloaded into my system, I am not going to download it again. You when you will be downloading it in your system, just keep the default options as it is, and by clicking continue you can simply download it into your system. Now we will set up WordPress with our XAMPP. To set up the WordPress with our XAMPP, first extract the WordPress file into the download folder itself. Here my WordPress file is already extracted in this folder. I am just simply going to copy this file and navigate to local disk drive C xampp htdocs and paste my file over here. Here you can see the folder that we have copied from this. I am renaming it as WordPress only, as I have many folders already created by the word name WordPress. And we'll just name it as WordPress 3, as many folders are created by me. Here these are my some sample projects that I have created. Many of these will not be there into your system as you are installing it for the first time. So now our localhost, just go to the start button, search for XAMPP control panel. Here it is. Hit the enter button. Now start Apache and MySQL servers. When they are started, their color will be turned to the green and you will find the XAMPP logo onto your taskbar. And they are started. I hope you don't find any difficulty till this point. Now move back to your browser. Open a new tab. I am just closing a previous tab as the Chrome gets takes a lot of RAM. So to to move to the your WordPress folder, just press http localhost WordPress 3 or whatever the name that you have provided to your extracted file. Now you might be redirected to the WordPress login page directly, or you can simply select the parent directory as a WordPress. It will take time according to your system. And here we are in the WordPress setup configuration. At this point, we will also create a database with the name of WordPress. To that, open a new tab and type http localhost php myadmin php myadmin. So it will take time. It will take less time into your in your system. Now just go to the database name. I will set it as WordPress 3. Set it as WordPress 3 and simply click on create. Now don't touch anything, close the tab and go back to the setup configuration. Click on the continue. Great, let's go. I am creating database name as WordPress 3. As you are using a local host, your username is root, password is blank, database host is localhost, and table prefix WordPress. And just simply click on submit. Once you have done, run the installation. This will install the WordPress into your system. Now site title, I am giving it as demo project, or okay, demo project. I am keeping username as admin, password as admin, confirm use of weak password, give any email that you want, and install WordPress. Do not check search engine visibility. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. Do not check this box. This will not allow you to use the search engine for this site. So do not check this box and install WordPress. Once the installation is complete, this is showing me the error. Okay. Installation is complete and you have successfully logged in into your account. You will be redirected to WordPress dashboard. Don't get scared by seeing dashboard. It just look confusing, but it is not. We will discuss more about dashboard in next video. Now I want to tell you that your website is ready. You can visit this by clicking here on the demo project visit site. I am opening it in the new tab and here it is. WordPress has given you the default hello world post and one comment. You can customize it any way you want. How to do it that we are going to discuss in the next video coming on the next week. So get the notification first, subscribe to the channel. If you find this video useful, kindly like the video and share it with your friends, with family. If any suggestions or queries, you can ask in the comment section and also give your feedback to this video. So that's it for this video. See you soon. Jai Hind.